Manoj, you are to start with the kickoff presentation, and I'll organize a chair for you.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Eminent personalities on the panel from specialists in the field. On behalf of Jindal Stainless, I, Manoj Bhutani, I welcome all you for this event. My duty is to set the tone for this panel discussion, which is primarily on the uses of stainless steel in infrastructure. Let me begin with my presentation. So we are losing a prominent 5 to 7% of our GDP due to corrosion in infrastructure. And that is one of the reasons we have to look into the material of construction, what we are using. We all know how what corrosion can lead to. It can lead to damages, accident. We have some examples from our own country, a prominent Andheri Bridge. We have examples globally also from Taiwan, from Washington, and other areas. We know these kinds of damages are very fatal, and we can overcome all these by the right material selection. When we talk about the material selection, there are few prominent things what we have to look into. That is the environmental detrimental effect on the infrastructure, the strength of the material, impact, fatigue, and maintenance. We all know we want to maintain our infra or anything as low as possible. One of the solutions which can be provided and which we will listen from our guest during the panel discussion, wherein the stainless steel, can it be a substitute and can it really help overcoming all these issues? I will briefly touch stainless steel offer very high corrosion resistance due to presence of chromium in the manufacturing process. And it has been discussed yesterday also how it resists corrosion because of the passive layer it forms on the top surface, which is non-porous and resist corrosion. Stainless steel, of course, it is known for the corrosion resistance, but it offers better strength, durability, low maintenance, weight reduction also vis-a-vis our conventional carbon steel. We are using IS 2062 grades in structure. And we can also double the design life also. So far there could be a few myths, which I will say, which were restricting up to the uses of stainless steel, like it is very expensive, but if we calculate on the basis of life cycle cost, so probably we will not found it as expensive as there was a myth, and it will come out to be a low cost solution on the life cycle cost basis. There are limited grades, and we used to say there are more than 100 grades which can be used depending on the conditions, depending on the environment, infrastructure, geography where we are using it. It is difficult to form, but now stainless steel is widely used. Yesterday also in the session of railways, we have seen that it can be formed, it can be fabricated easily, and we are using in many applications like wagons, like coaches, so it can be easily fabricated in any shape. There could be some over expectations also in the terms of it. Nevertheless, where some maintenance is required. And non-magnetic is what we know stainless steel. That is only the austenitic grade, where ferritic, martensitic are magnetic grades also. And at times, from the infrastructure fabrication point of view, they behave quite similar to our conventional grades only. That is, the ease of fabrication is very much there. So there should not be any iota of doubt about the fabrication of these grades. I will just take you to some of the completed projects, a glimpse to some completed projects. These are the projects, Footover Bridge at Naupada and Srikakulam, which are the part of East Coast Railways. These are the completed projects. Another very prominent 10-meter wide Bhayandar Bridge, which is at Mumbai. And Western Railway has taken this initiative to construct this bridge. All load-bearing members are stainless steel. There is another bridge of BMC in Mumbai, that is the Viraltai, which is made, all complete girders are made out of duplex grade stainless steel. We have international references, codes, that is the STM 1010, wherein we have many references where these materials are used in the bridge construction. And as I shared, on life cycle cost basis, probably at times it will come cheaper than the conventional solutions. RDSO has already conducted a LCC study, which they have published. On the basis of that, various railways are adopting stainless steel for footover bridges and road over bridges. And probably soon some tests are going on for where we will incorporate this into rail bridges also. Again, the standard is available. I will just run through. This is the specification of RDSO which they have laid down already. This includes not only the material specification but all fabrication grades. They have also specified the fasteners which has to be used on these, because they will require slightly different fasteners of stainless steel. This is published on the RDSO website only. They have not only made the material specification, they have made design drawings for foot-over bridges and road-over bridges, which are published on their website. There have been a circular from the government for the LCC policy, wherein agencies can use LCC as a factor for choosing the material. Just to brief you, the solution are available in stainless steel in the form of plates, in the form of fabricated girders, checkered plates, and rebars, which can be used widely in our construction, our infrastructure. And probably I have talked only about the bridges. The future may see buildings and other infrastructure also. Tunneling is already taking place. And now I leave the space for our eminent guest for the panel discussion to start.